नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर विशाल सक्सेना, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर इन मैथमेटिक्स, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today I am going to discuss about the module life table. This module is a part of the course Biostatistics. First we understand the meaning of life table. Life table is a mathematical sample which gives a view of death in a country and is the basis for measuring the average life expectancy in a society. It tells about the probability of a person dying at a certain age or living up to a definite age. According to Go, the life table is a mathematical model that portrays mortality condition at a particular time among a population and provides a basis for measuring longevity. It is based on age-specific mortality rates observed for a population for a particular year. Types of life tables. Life tables are divided into two types. First is cohort or the generation life table and second is period life table. The cohort or the generation life table summarizes the age-specific mortality experience of a given birth cohort. That means a group of persons all born at the same time for its life and thus extends over many calendar years. On the other hand, the period life table summarizes the age-specific mortality conditions pertaining to a given or the other short time period. Assumptions of the life table. A hypothetical cohort of life table usually comprises of 1,000 or 10,000 or the 1 lakh births. The deaths are equally distributed throughout the year. The cohort of people diminish gradually by death only. The cohort is closed to the in-migration and out-migration. The death rate is related to a predetermined age-specific death rate. The cohort of persons die at a fixed age which does not change. There is no change in death rates over time. The cohort of life tables are generally constructed separately for males and females. Now we take methods of constructing the life tables. Life tables are constructed on the basis of a single cross-sectional time data for a generation. There is also a longitudinal life table method which takes a real cohort of persons that start life at a specific age interval and follow it throughout the life until they die. Further, a complete life table may be constructed on the basis of a single years of ages. An abridged life table can also be constructed wherein ages are grouped in 5 or 10 years of interval, taking the initial year as 0 to 1. Now we take the importance of the life or the applications of life tables. Life table is used to project future population on the basis of the present death rate. It helps in determining the average expectation of life based on age-specific death rates. The method of constructing a life table can be followed to estimate the cause of specific death rates, male and female death rates, etc. The survival rates in a life table can be used to calculate the net migration rates on the basis of age distribution at 5 or 10 year interval. Life tables can be used to compare population trends at national and international levels. By constructing a life table based on the age at marriage, marriage patterns and changes in them can be estimated. Instead of a single life table, multiple decrement life tables relating to cause, specific death rate, male and female death rates, etc. can be constructed for analyzing socio-economic data in a country. Life tables are particularly used for formulating family planning programs relating to infant mortality, maternal deaths, health programs, etc. They can also be used for evaluating family planning programs. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve your doubts and problems. Thank you.